Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Bloxy Cola in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and start a new base plate. Insert a part into your workspace. This will be our cola bottle. Rename it to Bloxy Cola bottle and adjust its dimensions. We'll make it look like a classic soda bottle, perhaps a cylinder about 3 studs wide and 8 studs tall. Now, let's add a script to our Bloxy Cola bottle. Insert a new script object directly into the bottle part. This script will manage the cola's behavior. We'll define variables for the bottle and set up an event listener. The script will detect when a player touches the bottle, triggering our cola drinking function. This is crucial for making the cola interactive. To make our Bloxy Cola look appealing, we need to focus on visuals. Change the bottle's material to smooth plastic and set its color to a dark brown. Add a decal object to the bottle's surface and upload a Bloxy Cola label image. For immersion, include a short slurp sound effect when consumed. A small particle effect could also enhance the experience. Finally, it's time to test our Bloxy Cola. Click Play in Roblox Studio to simulate a game session. Interact with the bottle to confirm the script works as intended. Check that the sound and visual effects trigger correctly. You might need to fine-tune the bottle's size or the script's timing. This iterative process ensures a polished and enjoyable Bloxy Cola experience for players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.